Welcome. In this video, you'll quickly learn how to send a picture to a group on WhatsApp using the PC app with the brand new update. Whether you're managing social chats, study groups, or work projects, this simple process will help you share your photos in just a few clicks. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you've already logged into your account. If not, open WhatsApp on your phone, scan the QR code, and you'll be ready to go. Once you're inside, you'll see all your recent chats listed on the left side of the screen. Next, open the group where you want to send your picture. Just click on the group's name and the chat window will open on the right. This is where you'll be sharing your image. Now, look toward the bottom of your chat window. You'll see a small plus icon right next to the message box. Click on it and a few options will appear. Choose photos and videos from the menu. This is where you can browse through your computer's files. Once the file window pops up, find and select the photo you'd like to send. After picking the image, click Open. The selected picture will appear inside your chat preview, so you can make sure it's the right one. Before sending, you can also add a caption if you want, maybe a quick note or emoji to go with the image. When everything looks good, go ahead and click Send. That's it. Your picture will instantly appear in the group chat, visible to everyone in the conversation. With this new update, the process is smoother and faster than before, making it super convenient to share memories, updates, or anything visual without needing your phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who might need a quick guide. Thanks for watching.